How was everyone's 2024? Was it as great as we all planned it? Like the beginning of January? I know I had so many goals and failed, but yet still a success because I am not going to give up. Life, God, you have your strongest soldier. Hopefully, not taking any more quests. Neither side quests. I'm good with all the quests. Hi guys, I'm Mars. I didn't know what intro. I just thought that would be a great intro. This is my YouTube channel. I am a makeup artist. I'm an artist in general, but let's jump into the tutorial. Kind of just skipped over the beginning because everyone kind of knows what I was doing. Primer is Lancome. This is concealing the eyebrows, using a fluffy brush, and then just using these bronzers as my transition shade because we love it. We love it here. But yeah, just kind of the tape makes it very easy too. But basically what I'm just doing is just taking it all the way to the tape, a little bit in the outer corners, and yeah, just windshield wiper motions throughout, just getting a basic transition shade down. Now we want to darken it, so I'm using a darker shade. Basically this is like a chocolate chrome brown look that's gonna end up being. I kind of just start with whatever colors I look at and kind of just make a look from there. There's nothing really special. I think it's just the blending of the colors. You have to know what colors go well with. That way, the blending when you blend it out, it transitions smoothly. You know what I mean? You don't want to go from like a very orange or brown chestnut shade and then take it to purple. That's just those colors. What is it? What are you doing at that point? What are you doing with your life? Like, what are you trying to become? Who are you? You know what I mean? Take a look in the mirror. But this is all by using the Morphe. I think it's like the 35X palette. This is all the same palette that I'm using these colors from by Morphe. Okay, this is like a brown shimmer shade that I'm putting on top of my lids. Oh, there it goes. That's the palette I'm using. And then I guess I took this chocolate brown again. I literally just pick up colors and make it look good. Kind of what I do. But this is kind of the smokiness, kind of give it a smoky look, right? And the tape is gonna make it sharp, and it's gonna make it very easy when you peel it off. You'll see in a second how beautiful and smoky and sultry the eyes look. So here it goes. You want to gently peel this off too because the tape can become pretty sticky. I used eyelash tape. So it's kind of, yeah, it's giving what it's giving. It's giving, yeah, I just did this at work because it was slow. Anyways, kind of doing my makeup at work. Gotta love it. But now I'm taking this, it's by Stila. It's these chrome looking eyeshadows. I think this color is Midnight Storm. And then just taking a regular fluffy brush and just blending it all out, just making sure it's just nice and blended, because that's what we're here for. We're here for blended eyeshadows, okay? Blended eyeshadow looks. Just, yeah, take a look in the mirror. You're that girl. Anyways, so the Kimchi foundation is what I'm using. Don't ask me the shade. I'm not about to get up and go look for the shade right now, but it matches. It's good. It's good. I love it. The shade, not sure, but yeah. Just taking the time to look at myself in the mirror and contemplate my life. Completely dissociated. But anyways, excuse me. I'm getting over a cold. This is the Lancome concealer. Sorry guys, I'm trying to do this voiceovers, but I'm awful at voiceovers. Okay, now I'm taking the Pawpaw Wonder Blender. This is the mini one that's on Amazon because it's very demure. It's very mindful of my wallet and my spending. You get like 6 of them and they're like a dupe for the beauty blenders, and this is the LYS, or yeah, the bronzing stick in Harmony. It's like all over TikTok. Go look for it. It's crazy. But it's honestly, I get the hype. I get it. I get the hype. Now, this process right here is what I like to call trust the process, okay? Just trust the process. It's giving clown, jump scare. Wow, it's giving, okay. But just, again, trust the process, okay? You see how I kind of fast forwarded because I've been blending for like 30 minutes at that point. No, but it actually blends really well. It gives a very nice bronzing effect, and you just kind of blend up. This is the regular size dupe beauty blender. It's called the Pop Hot Wonder blenders. They're on Amazon. And again, I'm just taking the time because when it's blended out, it looks so beautiful. Do you guys see that? Yeah, don't play with me because I'm unless it's makeup, then I'll play, okay? But here, what am I doing? Okay, this is the Rare Beauty liquid foundation. No, the blush. Same beauty blender, blending everything out. Like, do you see how well that blends? Oh my goodness. And the skin, look at the skin. The finish of the foundation with the bronzing stick and the liquid blush so far. Okay, that's all we got going on, but it's all about the technique and how you apply it. You have to know how to apply the contour so that you contour your face correctly. But anyways, I'm taking the Laura Mercier translucent setting powder and same beauty blender, just kind of carving out and highlighting certain points of my face. And then I waterlined my under eye. That was the Clinique black liner. Wow, this is going really fast. Kind of smoking out my under eyes, adding a bright inner corner, and yeah, this is the look that I came up with. It's giving bronzed goddess. Yes.